Welcome to another segment on the Bug of the Month. This month we're looking at not just one particular insect, but an action that arachnids do every winter. And that's called ballooning. Tiny newborn spiders don't want to stick around in the place where their family and more predators are. And so they let off a single strand of silk until that silk weighs more than their body, and it catches the wind and it allows them to disperse and move sometimes very long distances. And the best way to see this is to go out in the morning while the dew is still on the grass, and you'll see long strands of silk covering all the plants as the spiders are moving away from where they were born.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.